how to connect Wix to Printify. So basically what you're gonna have to do is simply go to add apps, and then you're gonna have to simply search for Printify. And then the next step, so as you can see, we have it right here. So simply click on add to site, and then we're gonna have to simply connect to our Printify account. So I'm gonna create a new account. So after that, you're gonna be able to, as you can see, connecting your Printify store to your Wix website. So I'm just gonna skip through all of these. So as you can see, we have here the account, and now it should be working. So we're gonna have to give the store name. So you're gonna have to connect it, then simply click on agree and continue, and then basically that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.